When it comes to managing your finances, it's important to prioritize your spending on things that are important and will bring value to your life. While it's easy to get caught up in consumer culture and spend money on unnecessary or fleeting pleasures, there are certain things that are worth investing in for the long term. Hello and welcome to Brainy Lux, where we empower you to reach your full potential. In this video, we'll explore 20 things that you should consider spending money on in order to improve your overall well-being, happiness, and financial stability. From education and healthcare to hobbies and home repairs, these are investments that can pay off in the long run and bring real value to your life. Let's get started. Number 1. Education and personal development. Investing in your own education and personal development can pay off in the long run, whether it's through a formal degree program or more informal learning opportunities. Number 2. Quality food. Buying high-quality, nutritious food can improve your overall health and well-being. While it may be tempting to save money by purchasing cheaper, processed foods, investing in fresh, whole foods can pay off in the long run by helping you maintain a healthy diet and preventing costly health problems. Number 3. Healthcare. Investing in your health by seeing a doctor regularly and taking care of any medical issues can save you money in the long run. Preventative care and addressing health issues early on can help prevent more serious and costly problems from arising in the future. Number 4. Exercise and fitness. Regular exercise and maintaining a healthy lifestyle can improve your overall health and well-being, and may also help you save money on healthcare costs. By investing in fitness activities or gym memberships, you can improve your physical and mental health and reduce your risk of developing chronic conditions. Number 5. A comfortable bed. A good night's sleep is essential for both physical and mental health. Investing in a comfortable bed and bedding can improve the quality of your sleep, and may also help you feel more rested and energetic during the day. Number 6. A reliable vehicle. Owning a reliable vehicle can make your life easier and more convenient, especially if you live in an area with limited public transportation. While buying a new car can be a significant investment, it can save you money in the long run by reducing the need for costly repairs and providing reliable transportation. Number 7. Home repairs and maintenance. Keeping your home in good repair can help prevent costly problems from arising in the future. By investing in regular maintenance and repairs, you can extend the life of your home and protect your investment. Number 8. Professional services. Seeking the advice of a professional in areas such as finance, legal matters, or home repairs can save you time and money in the long run. By hiring a specialist, you can ensure that the job is done correctly and efficiently, which can save you time and money in the long run. Number 9. Insurance. Having insurance can protect you and your assets in case of unexpected events, such as accidents or natural disasters. By having insurance, you can reduce your risk of financial loss and provide peace of mind in case of unexpected events. Some common types of insurance include health insurance, life insurance, car insurance, homeowners insurance, and renters insurance. It's important to carefully consider your needs and the types of coverage that will be most beneficial for you and your family. Number 10. Quality tools and equipment. Investing in high-quality tools and equipment can save you time and money in the long run, as they will likely be more durable and efficient. Number 11. Travel. Experiencing new cultures and places can be enriching and can broaden your perspective. While travel can be expensive, it can also be a valuable investment in personal growth and enjoyment. Number 12. Hobbies and interests. Pursuing hobbies and interests that bring you joy and fulfillment can improve your overall happiness and well-being. Whether it's a creative pursuit, a physical activity, or a social hobby, investing in activities that you enjoy can be a worthwhile investment in your personal satisfaction and well-being. Number 13. Personal care. Investing in your appearance and personal care, such as getting a haircut or buying quality skincare products, can improve your confidence and self-esteem. While these may seem like luxury expenses, taking care of yourself can be an important investment in your overall well-being. Number 14. Professional development. Investing in your professional development, such as taking courses or attending conferences, can improve your skills and increase your earning potential. By staying up to date in your field and developing new skills, you can increase your value to potential employers and potentially negotiate higher salaries. Number 15. Emergency savings. Building up an emergency savings fund can give you peace of mind and financial stability in case of unexpected expenses or setbacks. By setting aside money for unexpected expenses, you can protect yourself from financial stress and uncertainty. Overall, it's important to be mindful of your budget and make informed decisions about where to allocate your resources, but it's also important to recognize that certain investments can bring real value to your life and are worth the cost. Number 16. Home security. Installing a security system or other home security measures can provide peace of mind and protect your home and belongings. With a home security system, you can monitor your home for potential threats and take steps to prevent burglaries or other incidents. Number 17. A comfortable workspace. Investing in a comfortable workspace, such as an ergonomic chair or standing desk, can improve your productivity and overall well-being while working. By investing in a workspace that is comfortable and conducive to productivity, you can increase your efficiency and reduce the risk of injury or discomfort. Number 18. Quality clothing. Investing in high-quality clothing that fits well and is appropriate for your needs can improve your appearance and increase your confidence. While it may be tempting to save money by purchasing cheaper, lower-quality clothing, investing in well-made, durable clothing can pay off in the long run by lasting longer and looking better. Number 19. Technology. Upgrading to newer, more efficient technology can save you time and money in the long run, and can also improve your productivity and efficiency. By investing in newer computers, phones, and other devices, you can increase your efficiency and reduce the need for costly repairs. Number 20. A top-tier cell phone. Cell phones are a must-have because they allow us to stay connected with others no matter where we are. They give us access to a vast amount of information and can make our lives more convenient in many ways. They can also be a lifeline in emergency situations and provide a source of entertainment. Overall, cell phones are an essential tool that, remember, while it's important to be mindful of your budget and make informed decisions about where to allocate your resources, it's also important to recognize that certain investments can bring real value to your life and are worth the cost. By prioritizing your spending on these and other areas, you can improve your overall well-being and financial stability. These investments can bring joy and fulfillment, improve your appearance and confidence, increase your skills and earning potential, and provide peace of mind and financial stability in times of uncertainty. Overall, it's important to carefully consider your needs and priorities when deciding where to allocate your resources. By investing in things that are important to you and will bring value to your life, you can improve your overall well-being and financial stability. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to tip us by hitting the like button. Share it with your friends so we can keep making them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more life-changing videos. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and advice on health, wealth, motivation, and wellness.